Ramp Network Crypto On-Ramp Review. Links to the product are added in the description for your convenience. Ramp Network is a fiat to crypto on-ramp service built to help users buy cryptocurrency directly inside wallets, decentralized apps, and Web3 platforms without needing a traditional exchange account. Its main purpose is to remove friction between regular payment systems and blockchain wallets, making it easier for users to move from fiat currency into crypto in just a few steps. Instead of functioning like a full exchange with trading tools, Ramp is focused entirely on smooth crypto purchases, and that makes it especially useful for beginners, NFT buyers, and decentralized finance users who need assets directly inside their wallets. The biggest strength of Ramp Network is how deeply it integrates into Web3 products. Many users encounter Ramp while funding wallets such as MetaMask, buying tokens inside decentralized applications, or making first purchases for NFT platforms. The process is simple. Choose the asset, choose the payment amount, complete identity verification if required, and the crypto is sent directly to the wallet address connected during checkout. That direct wallet delivery is a major advantage because it removes the extra transfer step required when using centralized exchanges. For users entering crypto for the first time, this significantly reduces confusion and lowers the risk of moving assets between multiple platforms incorrectly. Ramp supports major cryptocurrencies and many network-specific assets, including Ethereum-based tokens, Polygon assets, and other chain-supported tokens depending on the app where it is integrated. Payment methods usually include debit cards, bank transfers, and local payment options depending on country availability, which gives international users more flexibility than many exchange-only services. Transaction speed is generally strong, especially for card purchases, although identity verification may take longer for first-time users depending on region and compliance requirements. The interface is intentionally minimal, which helps beginners complete purchases without facing complex trading screens or order books. One important point is fees. Like most instant on-ramp providers, Ramp usually costs more than buying through large centralized exchanges because convenience and direct wallet delivery are built into the service. For occasional purchases, that trade-off is often worth it, but for larger repeated buying, cost-sensitive users may compare rates carefully. Security is handled through payment encryption, identity checks, fraud controls, and regulated payment processing. But users still need to verify wallet addresses carefully because blockchain transfers cannot be reversed once confirmed. Ramp Network is best for users who want immediate crypto access inside wallets and decentralized apps without opening a separate trading platform. Beginners benefit from the simplicity, while experienced users appreciate fast direct wallet funding during NFT, DeFi, or token purchases. Overall, Ramp works very well because it focuses on one essential function and executes it efficiently, getting fiat into crypto quickly, securely, and directly where users need it most.